Here's your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
Well, it's a quiet night across our area. It's warm, it's muggy. We have some coastal fog out there as well. Let's take a look outside. This is the capital city here from our East Providence camera. You can see not too bad in terms of visibility here in Providence, but coastal areas are definitely dealing with some fog once again, just like last night. So here's the radar, the wide view, nothing going on in terms of wet weather. There's, some activity and some storms over, south and east of Albany, Western Mass, but that's really not going to impact us as it's still well far away to the west. Live radar close up, we're looking fine for tonight. Here's the visibility that I want to talk about. So Newport, visibility just over a mile, westerly less than a mile, Block Island a half mile. So you get the idea, it's hugging the coastal areas, whereas inland not too much of any fog actually. So again, if you are traveling overnight tonight or early Sunday morning along the coast, be mindful of that. Temperatures right now in the 60s. This is pretty much where we will stay during the overnight hours and into Sunday morning. My three key things, of course, first and foremost, foggy overnight, humid as well. Beach day on Sunday, I have a question mark because we have our guidance that is showing clearing for much of our area, but it doesn't quite make it to the coastline for the afternoon, keeps the clouds kind of hanging around. So it's a close call for that forecast for the afternoon on Sunday. But either way, our extended forecast is staying unsettled. Here's the wide view of the setup in the atmosphere. Warm front made its way through yesterday, brought us that humid and muggy air. So we are south of that, which means we're looking at that to continue over the next day or so, and actually into next week too. That pattern's really not going to change a whole lot. Let's time things out overnight. Clouds around, some areas of fog, maybe a few sprinkles from time to time. That's about it. Not looking at any widespread rain for tonight. Temperatures hovering in the 60s by daybreak on Sunday. Watch what happens as the morning progresses. We'll see a few pop-up scattered showers and sprinkles for the morning hours. That's about it. Not going to be nearly as heavy as what we saw today. And then as we go into the afternoon hours, noontime, notice the breaks in the cloud cover. Some clearing making its way through, some sunshine for the afternoon, but notice this little cloud deck kind of hanging out along the coastal region during the afternoon, and that looks to be some fog potentially building back in as we head into the evening hours on Sunday. So again, with that south wind that we have going on, going to be hard to get a nice beach day for Sunday, but certainly better than it was today. So I'll at least give it that as we go forward into tomorrow. Muggy meter next several days. It's not going to change a whole lot. So if you're not a fan of the muggy weather, definitely maybe have that AC cranking for the next several days, because you're going to see that kind of stay the theme and the trend right through Thursday and Friday in that humid category over the next several days. Here's that 7-day forecast. On top of the humidity and the muggy weather, we have the showers pretty much every single day. Least amount of chances of some showers on Sunday, but then we ramp it right back up for Monday. Maybe some steadier rain for Tuesday and Wednesday, temperatures in the mid 70s. More showers in the forecast though for Thursday and Friday, so this unsettled weather pattern looks to continue with temperatures near or around the average for where we should be for this time of year. Sheena?
Thanks so much. Now in sports.